Today's customer is a digital customer. Today's customer is also an informed customer. The digital dealership system utilizes kiosks to put information in the customer's hands, while the digital POP displays update the tired vinyl pop-ups surrounding many dealerships. Kiosk solutions serve as a customer resource center throughout the showroom and service areas. Each kiosk solution is customized for the dealership to include multiple applications to meet their ever-changing needs. From check-in, inventory, brochures, videos to digital retailing and service applications, kiosks are designed to give customers a hands-on approach while providing the dealer with a flexible platform. Digital POP displays have a 4 times recall rate than current vinyl point-of-sale displays that clutter the dealership. With support for full motion video and unlimited content, the possibilities are endless. Online content management means that a simple click can update screens in sales and service. The digital dealership system's exclusive POP content captivates customers and grabs their attention so they don't miss your important messages. Utilize kiosks and digital POP displays throughout the dealership to convert stale marketing into an interactive in-store experience. The digital dealership system offers a premium suite of digital sign and kiosk solutions for the modern dealer. The professionally designed and installed solutions increase dealer profits and drive future growth for all brands and sizes of dealerships. The constantly growing list of services and integrations make the digital dealership system the right partner for today's dealership and tomorrow's market leader. Visit our website or contact your local representative today to learn more and allow us to digitize your dealership.